my favorites.
So we're here trying to figure out what to do, what kind of content to make.
I'm on TikTok getting ideas.
On TikTok trying to get ideas.
Let's see.
Or should we just go to like all the stores down the street and just see if there's any good shoes to buy? And just be like, oh, those look sick. Nah,
What
those
stores
look
are
lame.
here?
We have Jumpman, Foot Locker, Chic,
Really?
Apple, Nice Kicks.
That's that two-story one that got robbed, right?
Yeah.
Fashion and maybe we could think of something like that.
Why is it hard at work?
I'm trying.
YouTube ideas.
Trying to think of something.
I think we can. Let's just go to Jumpman.
Okay.
I think that'll be good.
Where's that
Down the street.
at?
We can walk there.
Oh. Okay.
If you do, you want to walk or you want to drive? You want me to drive?
I mean, is it walkable?
Yeah, it's walkable. It's down the street.
That's
I mean, it's not down the street, but it's like down the street.
Oh, that's fine.
All right, let's roll. So we're just taking a stroll down Mariah's neighborhood.
This is not much.
This is your hood. So what are we looking for? Wow, this store looks sick. You want to buy hookah?
I love hookah.
Let's go look for some. This is good content. Let's just at least get some kind of content. If you want hookah, let's get some hookah.
I have hookah.
Let's just ask.
Ask for
So I guess we just walked around, couldn't find anything to do or anything worth recording at all. It's like pretty dead.
It's very dead.
Yeah. Well, it is a Monday afternoon, so.
Yes, their sign said, "Don't waste my time and my bullets." I don't blame them.
Everyone's like afraid of getting robbed, literally. Wow, LA, my home. So we're picking up some shoes right now from our boy Ahmad. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, guys? New inventory check.
New inventory check.
Gotta come through. Let's see what we have this.
All right, thanks.
I got 2 more.
Yeah, can you hold that?
Fox girl.
How's your days? Going?
Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna get your the pandas for you.
Oh yeah.
All right, I'm trying to find a size 10 woman panda. So yeah, my inventory is a little bit of a mess because I haven't had time to organize stuff. Wow, right when you start vlogging, I found it. This is the power
Power of the camera.
of Deaconess Mariah.
Okay. Whatever.
Whew. Yeah. All right. Honest day's work right here. All right, we're gonna go do your car review. So.
You have my keys.
Oh yeah, but you have to say the intro. Like,
What's my intro?
well, like, hey guys, this is my new car.
So this is my new car that I got from my rental business. 2023 C300.
So what's up? It has the stars right here, so you know what you're walking into.
Yes.
So you know this is a real Mercedes, not from Temu.
Okay. It's dirty though.
She already has it tinted too.
Yeah, I got it tinted the day after I got it, but.
Whoa, it smells loud as hell. Just kidding.
I was gonna say I was eating French fries on the way here.
Also, that's why you don't want to eat anything. You had French fries.
No. Where's the line? So this is the new car that I got for my car rental business. So it's a 2023 C300 Benz.
I'm gonna open my door. There's a Mercedes emblem. The 3-pointed star. You have to kiss it before you walk into the car.
Did you?
And then you get inside. Dude, okay, so since You guys don't know, Mariah is like 4'8", so everything with Mariah is like really small. So I always have to like put the seats back and stuff because I can't fit in anything. Okay, your seats are not working because your car's off. But if I sit down, I'm literally gonna like break my knee.
I'm watching the seat go back.
Oh, it is going back.
Yeah.
Oh. Modern technology. Wow. I'm like ancient. I'm used to like this moving, but it's just touch.
Yeah,
Oh. Okay, it works. Wow. All right.
Okay, then start it up.
Mo dollars.
It greets me by my name too on the first turn on. But yeah, so it has copyright. I'm still getting used to the car, guys.
Turn that shit off. Who the fuck is giving me a phone call?
Your mother?
No, it's not. All right, we're good.
Okay,
All right.
guys, it's hot.
Turn on your AC.
Don't mind. It's hot out.
It is hot.
Yeah, it's very hot. I don't know what Emmanuel wants me to talk about, but it has a full
I've been telling Mariah to do a car review for like 50 years.
I know. So I guess this is the
Today
start
we're finally
of it.
doing it.
Yeah, so
All right. So walk us through the C300. Why should someone buy this car? Because to me, it's just another Mercedes.
it's a cheaper version of the S-Class if you want that feel.
So yeah, this is very similar to S-Class
Yeah.
dashboard, the tablet.
Yeah, everything is full digital dash, touchscreen. We have the automatic seat kinetics.
Oh, cool. So what does that do? You should walk us through it.
This.
Press driver or passenger.
I don't know what it's doing, honestly.
Oh, it's supposed to like work you out, right? Or it's supposed to like
No,
put you in the right
it just
drive.
moved.
I don't feel anything. Oh,
No,
I
it's
feel that.
adjusting. Yeah.
Oh wow, it's adjusting. That's actually kind of cool. Just like figure out how like big you are, and then just like.
I don't know.
Oh,
'cause it
this is
keeps
actually
moving.
crazy. It's adjusting. Wait, I think. Oh, it's seat kinetics. So I guess it's like for long drives, so your muscles, you don't get like numb. To help increase your blood flow. So like work you out
Oh yeah,
when you're
backrest
driving.
seat surface. Oh yeah, and you could choose
Yeah.
the program length.
It's for long drives.
Oh yeah, because mine is moving now.
Yeah.
Okay, well we just discovered
Gosh, I
something
guess I know
new.
more about this car than she does.
Yeah.
Anyway,
I had no intentions of getting this car, you guys.
so how did it happen? You just showed up randomly and just bought the car?
Yeah, literally. Like I had a full day planned of other stuff, and I drove past the dealership. And
What stuff?
Business. zooming in. And yeah, I drove past the dealership and just decided, let me look at some cars. And walked out with a 2023. So that wasn't in my plans, but yeah. So I'm still trying to learn the car. Is my whole point, because I have no intention of getting this. I'm gonna stop mine. Do you want yours still?
Oh no, it's okay. I feel revitalized.
Okay.
Rejuvenated.
Then we can change the ambient lighting in here.
I know, that's the only thing she knows.
That's literally all I know, I'm not even gonna lie. The pink, I like the blue one just because it's the brighter one. It's a multicolor. Don't really care about the multicolor. I don't know what to say.
Do you know that the when you like change the temperature, it changes the light?
That's in my
It doesn't
CLA,
do this?
but not in this one.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought I knew something. I'm stuck on the old
That's
cars.
my profile.
Cool.
Yeah. Don't really know what else to talk
We
about.
have them here.
My
Costco.
Costco receipt and my parking pass.
And then you have this.
My fast track, my glasses. You guys, I'm blind when I drive, but I wing it. And then the sliding, it's touch.
Wow.
And then just slide it back. And then
yeah, you have your different dashboards.
And then it changes this too.
Oh,
so then it
make it. I see. So what mode is this?
This one is understand. Yeah, it gave a little pyramid thing on this whatever. Don't know what that is, but yeah. And then this is sport. This is the one that I keep it in because that's, I don't know, it just looks nice. And then the classic. And then assistance. This kind of reminds me of like a Tesla because when you're driving, you can see the cars that are around you and stuff like that. This car is good on gas actually. When I got a full tank of gas yesterday, it gave me 520 miles on a full tank.
Dang, that's crazy. I think I get like 310.
Oh wow. That's crazy.
Yeah, my gas is ass.
Yeah, 520. All my Benzes have good gas mileage though, honestly. And then this has finger...
Yeah, she said all her Benzes.
I have a car rental business. Then this is the fingerprint, kind of like how the old iPhones did, but I haven't set it up yet because it kind of scares me. But
Why
that's...
do you think they're gonna take your information?
I don't know.
Like the dealership didn't take your social, your ID, your address.
I just don't want the...
Everything about you.
It's okay.
And the fingerprint. Yeah, okay. Anyway.
I don't even know how to set it up though, honestly. That's another reason why. And yeah, this is for the temperature. I don't know what else. Honestly, guys, I never even sat in the back seat, so I don't even know if it's spacious or not back here.
You should sit back. Do a seat test.
A seat test? Oh, it looks nice from back here.
It does. So this is your normal driving position?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Why?
Oh no, it looks like it's far back for some reason.
Oh, because I don't like this to be on my back, so I do move it back more.
I see.
Yeah. Actually, it's pretty roomy back here, but I think that's only if you have a short driver, so there's a lot of space.
Yeah,
back.
there's a,
because,
you have a
look,
lot of
let me
space.
see the camera. If you're sitting behind someone that's as tall as Emmanuel, there's no space at all. There's literally, I know it's, oh wait, how do you turn the light on in here?
Yeah, rest in peace. Yeah, you're not getting any space back here.
Yeah, look at that. There's, oh, my shoe doesn't even fit. But yeah, so that's that, and then it has the cup holders that pop out.
Oh, you know that's a phone holder too.
Just kidding, it's not. Wait.
No, you press it again. No, look, it's like this. So, hey, I want to use my phone, right? So you put your phone in here. Yeah, well, my case is too big. But anyway, you're supposed to put your phone in here. And then, okay, I'm done using my phone.
That's what I was trying to do. There's no cup holder.
No, this is the cup holder.
I know, but how do you get it out?
You have to push it back in again.
Again?
Yeah, like do a double push.
You guys, we can't figure it out.
Alright, push it in again, but hard, like with purpose. And then... Fuck.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it is. Click, push it, and then push it again.
Okay, we'll put it.
Yeah. And then be like, yeah, I don't need to use my phone anymore. And push it in again. No. No, don't push it in to push it in. Push it in like you're trying to push it out.
Like
Get me? Yeah, like you're trying to like pop it back out.
Wait, what?
Yeah, like yeah, like you're trying to pop. Yeah, that's what I mean.
Okay.
Wow, Jesus Christ, man, you're
Learn something.
You're a piece of work.
Well, you said push it back in. Yeah, so that's that. I just learned something new because I didn't even know that. Like I said, I never.
Good shot.
Never got a full review of my car.
Yeah, you don't want to lose your battery.
I don't know what else to show back here. The trunk has stuff in it, so I'm not gonna show the trunk.
Yeah, stuff in it.
It's not my stuff. What is this?
Should we investigate Mariah's trunk? Or will it get us killed?
Oh, you can.
Just kidding. I won't put on camera.
I don't know what's back. Let's see what's back.
I don't want to know what's back.
It's nothing bad.
Alright, let's see how big her trunk is. Alright guys, we're gonna see the size of Mo Dallah's trunk.
Don't mind the stuff back here. I haven't taken it out yet. But yeah, pretty spacious. I don't really know.
You can fit a body in here, huh?
Yeah, you can. I put a couple in my trunk in my time.
You could fit a reasonably sized human back here. You want to see a cool thing?
See?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
You could do that one.
I know. Let me do this one.
The seat is.
Oh, because my.
Look.
Oh, yeah, that's not gonna work. And then when you're done, you just push it back up, like this. Oh, this is heavy, dude. That seat's heavy.
Are you gonna push back the other one?
Yeah, I'll push back the other way. The trunk, the smell from your trunk like made me sick. Made me nauseous.
Is it from the coolant?
Yeah, whatever that is.
Antifreeze. Well, that was for the truck, actually.
The fuck is all this?
You want one?
What's that? It's nuts.
No. You remember as kids the Yogos? Oh, well, it's just like that. That's good.
So Mariah's doing pretty well for herself. What do you guys think? Fall back down. That actually scared me. I was like, what the fuck? I'll fix it.
Oh, and then when you connect CarPlay.
Oh yeah, you have Apple CarPlay.
Yeah, it looks good.
What, they have a Mercedes store?
Yes.
Oh, hey Mercedes. How old is Mariah?
I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
What do you think about BMW?
They're nice. I like seeing them through my rearview mirror.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Hey Mercedes. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Should I get a Maybach or a Rolls Royce? She might.
I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
She doesn't, I don't think she understands. Who will win a race?
I'm sorry, but I can't help you with that right now.
Okay. Last question. Hey Mercedes.
Sure.
What's the purpose of life?
The meaning of life, or the answer to the question, what is the meaning of life?
Yes.
Sorry, something went wrong.
The fuck? Alright, Mercedes needs to do a better job with this. I can't even answer my simple question, man.
But yeah, so I have Wi-Fi in here too, but that's not good.
Can you watch Netflix on Apple CarPlay?
I think so. If you have the app, probably. I don't have the app, so I don't know. I don't know why it's. Oh, here we go.
I didn't know
Okay.
that was your address.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. So that's what it looks like.
Yeah. So it looks like a full-blown Tesla when you're driving. If you just have like, you know, the maps going.
I don't think your Mercedes appreciates you comparing it to a Tesla every time.
I think it's better than a Tesla.
Yeah, you should. You should say that stuff like that. You know, she's obviously listening to what we're saying. So you want to say good things.
You guys, look at all this traffic in LA.
Don't come to LA, guys.
And this is at 3:23 p.m.
I know people are still at work technically.
It's only gonna get worse.
That's insane. You know that because of Fast Track, I can get home in like 20 minutes. even at like peak rush hour.
I get to my parents' house
crazy.
in like 15 minutes with the fast track too during peak hour.
Yeah, that saves me so much time.
I was just using the fast track yesterday from Banning.
Oh yeah, where is Banning? Is that going
It's-
like towards Ventura?
No, it's going toward Vegas.
Oh, towards Vegas.
Yeah, toward Palms. It's the city before Palm Springs.
Wow.
No, it's cold. What else can I show you guys? I don't really know.
Your
honestly.
Telegram messages. Just kidding.
I don't know what else to show you guys.
Well, good job. This is a good review.
No, it's available for rent soon. Give me like a week and a half.
So what happens if you rent all your cars? Like, do you have a car to use when you rent it?
I usually just Uber.
Oh, so if all your
I-
cars are going, you just Uber everywhere?
Yeah.
We don't go anywhere, really.
Yeah, so I'm
so
always
that's true.
home, so it doesn't really affect me.
I see.
Yeah. Minor inconvenience, but it's okay.
Do you have a sport mode?
I do. It's here.
Wow.
It's actually very fast. When I test drove it,
How much horsepower?
I don't know. Let me get back to you.
200 horsepower.
Is it really?
No, I don't know.
Oh.
It's probably like 215.
Let's Google it to find. Or ask. Hey Siri.
Hey, wow. It's not Siri, it's Mercedes. Hey, Mercedes. Disrespectful. How much horsepower do you have?
How can I help?
How much horsepower do you have?
You can find that information in the vehicle documents.
Are you serious? You could just answer that question for me. Wow, so useless. This is such a piece of shit. Like, these are UV lights, so it cleans your shoes while you're in the car.
True.
Oh, 255.
255.
It's not bad. My Subaru has 268.
Oh really?
It's supposed to be a sports car, and it's 268.
Interesting. Yeah, and this is a 4-cylinder. You know what's crazy? The truck was a 4-cylinder too, but they all take 91. Gas is expensive, you guys.
Yeah, you're telling me, dude. Do you get your gas at Costco?
I did yesterday because that was the closest thing to me. But yeah, it just depends where I'm at.
I like going to Costco. Yeah, you should go during the week, at least. Saves you time. No one's there.
Yeah. It was pretty slow when I went yesterday, actually.
Oh, your eye doctor's at Costco.
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to your mom's after?
Yeah, that's where I left my purse.
Oh, I see.
So I have no purse, no wallet, no ID.
No, Hannah's friend's an eye doctor. You want to get your eyes checked?
Really?
Yeah, she's an eye doctor.
What insurance does she take?
If you're actually interested, I can refer you to her. It's not like she's going to give me a cut or anything. Just kidding.
You know what? Yeah, figure out what insurance.
Let me ask her. What insurance do you take? Her name is, beep. Can't say her name. It's a violation.